Welcome back everyone. This might be the third time I've tried to film this segment because I'm trying to say something important in as little words as possible so you learn as much as you can in a short period of time. What I'm going to do now is give you a quick tip or a quick idea. What you saw there was the piece of rough crystal opal, then I sliced it and then I cut them, one into a cushion cut, the other into a teardrop shape. What I'm going to do now is give you a very short lesson on how opal prices can vary. So, cushion cut, the larger of the two that I cut, it is 6.6 by 5.7 by 3.4. It weighs 1 carat. It's a crystal opal with a medium to high dome, a moss/sheen pattern with the colours of blue and green in a brightness of 4. That's everything you need to know about this opal. So it weighs 1.05 carats, let's just round it down to 1. I've priced it at £200. Side note here, some of you might think £200 for a gemstone that's no bigger than a fingernail, a bit of a steep price. But in the defence of opal, I challenge you to go and find a diamond, which are more popular, that weighs 1 carat, has good clarity, and is a cushion cut. And you might find you might have to throw an extra 0 onto that price tag. Side note over. So, £200 a carat for the cushion cut. The other one, the teardrop that I made from the offcut, the dimensions are 6.5 by 3.7 by 2.3. It weighs 0.335 carats. Same description, blue-green colour, moss sheen pattern, medium to high dome. Now what you might be thinking is, well, that one's 1 carat, that one's 0.3, it's a sixth of the weight, so it's going to be a sixth of the value. And this is the lesson that I'm trying to teach today. It doesn't quite work like that. The smaller one I have priced at £20. So it's not a sixth of the value. The reason for that is because opal prices can compound. Just to give you a rough example, let's say I had an opal that only weighs 1 carat and I'm pricing it at £100 a carat. Let's say I had exactly the same opal, but it weighed 10 carats. You probably think, well, it's £1,000 because it's £100 a carat. It doesn't work like that. The moment opal reaches about 4 carats, it becomes rarer to find. Opal that's 4 carats or more, when it's good quality, is a rare find, especially when it's a good cut with 0 inclusions. So the price per carat then increases exponentially. So if it was a 10 carat opal, it would then be more towards maybe £200–300 a carat as a rough idea, obviously depending on the opal, the patterns, the colours, etc. But you can't then price it at £100 per carat. It's now worth more per carat because it's rare to find a 10 carat opal. That's why this smaller opal isn't a sixth of the value, but because it's a pointer, as in 0.35 carats, 335 carats, it's worth less per carat, therefore I'm only charging £20. And a crystal opal at brightness of 4 with that sort of pattern at £20, you might think, well, that's a good deal. And maybe it is. Opal like that is more common. Because opal is rare to find, full stop, there's more of it at smaller sizes, so you can't charge £200 a carat for something like this because it just doesn't work like that. Hopefully that gives you a good idea, and hopefully that explanation was short and sweet enough to give you the rough idea that I say. The heavier it is, the more it costs per carat, usually. When it hits that 4 carat mark for an opal, that's when it tends to then go up. Carat weight can be used in calculating the value of the opal. If that explanation was good, then I'm happy. Let me know in the comments below. If you think it doesn't quite make sense, let me know in the comments and I'll reply, hopefully making it a little bit clearer for you. But thank you very much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like the video so it's recommended to more people. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly opal content. I do have to apologise, this video was short today. I was expecting a package to arrive with some opals ready to cut so I could produce a longer form video for you. But when it comes to the UK and Royal Mail, beggars cannot be choosers even if you send them first class. And unfortunately it hasn't arrived, so I haven't been able to make that video for you. So I hope this video was educational and it serves a purpose to those that are looking to price opal, or at least tickles that little opal addiction that we all have here on the channel. So thanks very much, and I'll see you in a week's time.